Hello everyone, and on today's episode of... Oh shit, what is this? This is just the McBride Garage. That's what it is. Alright, so just going to go over today's parts corner here. We have all of the rear end conversion, we have all of the BMR stuff, we have Willwood handbrake setup for the Bear brakes, which are out in the trailer. Got the rear end, got the parachute mount, drive shaft, just a bunch of miscellaneous parts and pieces that we've been collecting over the last few weeks. They have now accumulated into the nice, well, the decently clean and organized shop. This spot right here is reserved for one big piece, and I think I'm going to make this spot right here reserved for another big piece that hopefully in the next couple weeks we'll be seeing. Further update and information when that comes. Let's see what else we got going on pertaining to Becky. Oh yeah, we made a little change on the front of the car. We have a local LED company here in town that does headlights. So I dropped them off, told them to go wild, and let's see what we can do with them. We'll make another video on the installation and the crazy things on that. We have a guest speaker on the, well, not guest speaker, a guest audience on the video today. She's hiding around here somewhere. Let me know if you find her. That's going to be it for today's video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day or a great night, whatever time you're watching this. Yeah, that's harder.